started as a boarding issue at Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport quickly turned into a tense confrontation involving TSA agents, airline staff, and airport police. According to authorities, officers were dispatched after reports of a passenger causing a disturbance near the boarding and security area after being denied entry onto a flight.
Wait, I already did. Dude. I'm just telling you, it's their check.
I talked to the manager.
You just did. That was her. She said she's the one.
I was talking. Why am I? What is going on?
So they have every right to deny you entry into here, right? They denied you entry. There's no negotiating this, right? You're gonna get your stuff. We're gonna escort you out, and that's the end of the story. You can make any sort of complaint with TSA at a later time, right?
Is your ticket by any chance? Is that your ticket for today's flight?
What? Is there anything I can do to change this?
It's not acceptable, and I'm not going to stand for it, and you're not complying with it. Okay, you should have thought about that before you started cursing and calling them names. That is unacceptable.
Is there any?
No. Now they can press charges if they want to, because it's a law. Did you not see?
I didn't yell at anybody.
And press them out. And I don't want people.
They yelled at
and
me.
you know what? That's not how. So you can grab your bag, find another place.
Where's the bag?
As officers attempted to calm the situation, the passenger continued arguing with airport staff while insisting he had been treated unfairly during the screening process. Bodycam footage captured repeated discussions about airline policies, TSA procedures, and the passenger's growing frustration after learning he would not be allowed to continue boarding the flight.
Is that your ticket for today, sir?
Yeah, this
Can
is
I
what I
see
paid
it,
for it,
please?
dude.
Thank you. Let me see it.
This is insane, man.
No, it's not insane. You should know
You
how to
caused
treat
this.
people, okay?
All these other people have no issues going through.
I was walking through and dude, that guy got in my face. You're putting on one employee's emphasis
How much you had to drink today?
and judging me on
How much you had
something
to drink
like
today?
I don't know.
I beg you're different. I'm sure that had an influence on your
Dude, the guy-
poor decision making.
The guy got in my face.
But what about the girl right here that you were yelling at too?
When he
I was
woke up.
explaining to her what all I had to do was put my wallet. You
Is
didn't
it
tell me.
yours?
You're like, go through, get out.
Is this yours, sir?
Yep.
Is this the only bag you have?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Can I get your ID as well?
Sure. It's in my wallet.
Yeah, your wallet is right. Take it out for me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Here's my wallet.
I just need the ID.
I asked her, I said, can I put this stuff in here? And she said, no, go through. The guy said, dude, you can't come through with this. You cannot come through with this. I said, what do you want me to do?
The situation escalated further once officers warned the passenger that continued disruptive behavior inside the airport could lead to detention or arrest. Despite repeated instructions to gather his belongings and leave the secured area, the passenger continued debating with officers, questioning their authority, and arguing that his rights were being violated during the encounter.
I said, she didn't ask me to put it in there. And he said, empty her. He made me come back after
Okay.
she didn't tell me what to do.
Okay, so here's the.
And I threw everything in here.
Okay, so here's
And
the
now your
problem.
guys are telling me two different things.
So here's another problem.
You,
Okay, so let me explain.
okay.
Once the supervisor.
You're violating my constitutional rights.
trying to
Not
explain-
blood.
Listen, they're going to explain it to you. I have a lot less patience than they do. Okay, we're not going to do
Yeah,
this.
you want to make a charge
Listen
on
to
us?
her. Excuse me? Because if you want to do that, I will throw your ass in handcuffs and you'll go to jail. So stop with that bullshit. Either you listen to her or we're just going out.
All right, and what about my refunded ticket?
You deal that with the airline.
Airline. Because we're going to go out to speak to the airline as well.
Y'all call TSA and TSA?
Go ahead and call them. So once the supervisor intervened to try to resolve the issue, which is the supervisor right here, you still continue to be belligerent
Okay.
during that process. So had you calmed down once the supervisor
I'm
intervened?
belligerent?
I highly agree with that.
I am belligerent.
From what they said and based on what I've seen from you in the limited time, I don't doubt.
What was I asked?
Okay? Even just your stupid ass comment just a second ago. Like what? Oh, you want to make a charge out of this? Basically threatening?
I just want to go back to
Okay, it's not happening. Alright? So end of story. That decision's done.
So the way that guy treated me
I'm not discussing this.
has nothing to do
Decision's
with
done.
this.
Boom. Gavel has been
I'll
struck.
talk to somebody then.
Okay, you can talk to anyone you want.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You got anything?
Here's your change.
Hey,
Sir.
go pick up your stuff, all of it. Let's go.
They're coming. You gotta wait.
You gotta wait for
Yeah,
the
I'm
inspector.
good.
Yeah, he gotta
Oh,
wait.
now you gotta wait.
Thank you. Excuse me?
Pick up your stuff, all of it. One more.
Okay, sir.
Now you gotta wait.
For what?
Someone else can put it out. Let's go.
Okay, good. I would like to talk.
Sure you will.
Yep.
What's the real day 3?
What do you have to think about this guy that came out with this?
I don't think you did.
You're above him. You don't
yeah, no.
think you did.
I believe everything they've said. Everything's on camera here. Right? And based on your demeanor and your actions, I have no doubt. I wouldn't let you fly either. So, you're fine with that.
This guy got my face.
Not discussing.
Okay.
Not.
All right, that's cool. I want to wait.
As officers continued speaking with the passenger inside the terminal, the situation became more difficult to manage after he repeatedly questioned the instructions being given to him. Bodycam footage later captured a tense scene near the TSA checkpoint as officers attempted to guide the passenger away from the area while several people nearby watched the encounter unfold.
I would like to look.
Good, because you don't have a choice. So I'm glad you want to. Okay, good.
So you can't smoke that in here.
Just it.
This is done. All right. This attitude is done. All right. You're not allowed to do that in here. I am this close from being done with this.
Okay.
Do you understand? Do you want to keep this up?
No.
Okay. Then you stop.
Okay.
Are we clear?
Clear. Clear. All right, buddy. So your time is expired. Sorry, friend. I'm out. Thank you, man.
I don't think you understand. You're not free to go right now.
Who says?
I'm saying. Okay, you are detained. Okay?
By who?
Stand over.
Do you have cuffs?
I don't have to cuff you to detain you. If you want me to cuff you, I will gladly cuff you.
What? Excuse me?
Okay.
What? I don't understand. I don't understand. I'm not understanding.
That
this,
seems to
dude.
be your problem with this whole
Yo,
situation.
dude. Yes.
If you want, we can put you in handcuffs and that we can.
Okay.
Uh,
Yes, everything is fine. There was an altercation with the TS guy. I got some guy. He's not showing me any credentials at all. I don't know how I'm not sure what to do here. Can you help me, please?
Who are you on the phone with?
I'm on the phone with the Hollywood Police Department. Dude.
So now, okay.
They're coming here.
They don't have jurisdiction here.
Okay, great.
They don't have jurisdiction here.
Oh, so you're TSA big guy. All right, no problem. What would you like me to do?
TSA.
I'm trying to go to Connecticut.
I understand.
I'm-
You disrupted speaking. Here's my credentials since you were asking for them.
Thank you.
All right.
Yeah.
So, what happened here?
It's my second time flying. Take your shit and go put it over there. Whoa. I'm asking you where to put my stuff. Okay? That's it. And he put your shit. I'm not going to tell you again. Put your shit in there. Dude, my second time flying. Whoever that guy was is a threat to me.
Okay, you saw me.
He said this to me, ma'am. Okay? What else
about
do you want
what
me to
you
say?
said to the officers after that?
The officers?
Yeah, that
As
was,
far as what?
they said that you
This is an officer.
yeah, these are officers as well. What did you say?
That's
to
an
them?
officer.
Right. I'm letting you know that they're officers too. And what did you say to them after the guy said what he said? You said nothing?
All put on
Just,
me.
you took your stuff
Whatever,
off and
whatever may you could think. What's the
By the end of the incident, officers fully restrained the passenger after the confrontation continued escalating inside the airport terminal. What began as a disagreement involving airport screening and denied boarding gradually turned into a larger disturbance involving multiple officers, repeated warnings, and an arrest inside one of Florida's busiest airports.
could what my constitution allows.
Okay.
How about that?
You have a phone number?
Yes, I do.
Can I have that? I need the rest
Hello.
of the number, sir.
This is the police department. Yes, sir.
Yes, he said.
I can't hear you, sir. I need to talk to you. I can't hear you.
Sir, they don't have just. Hey. they
Yo,
don't have
bro.
Stop.
This guy just hit me, dude. This guy just put his
Stop.
hands on me, dude.
Cameras on it.
Do you need anything more?
Dude, dude, you just touched. I don't. Oh, dude, stay away from me, man. Dude.
You're going to handcuffs. You're done.
Oh my God.
You're now under arrest.
Oh my God. Help me. Help me. Dude. Sir. Why? What are you doing?
Now you're under arrest.
For what?
Disorderly.
For what? Dude. What? For what? Yo.
You had your chance. All you had to do is talk to her and you'd have been done. Okay? So
Dude.
you're stuck on a police department that has no jurisdiction. Alright? The police are already here. I don't know if you can read. Sheriff.
Why did
Badge.
dude? Why?
Okay?
What are you doing?
So we're done. No, we're done with this.
I don't know where I am,
Okay? Well, guess what? You're gonna go to Broward County Jail.
dude. What the?
An imaginary pocket we don't know about?
Yeah, bro.
Got it.
You, dude.
Do not
Yeah,
do that.
dude.
You understand?
Dude,
Unless you want to eat the pavement, you do not do that.
you are not,
Okay?
dude. I am constitutional in my
You're
right,
gonna sit down now.
dude.
Sit
You
down.
try to force me to the pavement. You're
Take a
gonna
seat.
manhandle me, bro.
Take a seat.
I'm not dealing with that.
I'm asking you to take a seat. In a minute, I'm about to make you take a seat.
Yo,
Take a
dude.
seat and sit.
Somebody film this, dude. Somebody film this shit, please. Yo, dude.
Stop.
Help me, please. Help me. Miss, dude, help me,
Once you
please.
secure in a car, let's type the PC in.
Help me. Dude, help me. Please. I'm not,
Stop or you're gonna get another charge.
dude,
You bad charges, do this, man.
help me. Dude. Help me.
You know what you just did? You were probably no longer allowed to come to Fort Lauderdale Airport, right? And
Dude, you
I'm
just
sure she's gonna make sure
assaulted me, bro.
You never fly.
You just assaulted me, dude. You just assaulted me, bro. Never fly?
Yep.
You just assaulted me, dude.
You're not flying out here. You're flying.
That's fine. Yo, somebody please record this. Somebody please record this. Please. I was just assaulted. Please, sir, help me get me out of here. Sir, can you get me out of here,
We'll take
please?
you to jail.
Dude. Sir, thank you.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Just get me out.
Sorry, 22 lobsters. They asked to sort them out, and then that's what you say.
Yeah.
Started calling Hollywood Police
Dude,
Department.
he hurt.
She's trying to do whatever.
She was trying to do what
He hit.
investigation.
Dude, get me out the fuck out of here, please. I already called 911. Dude, get me out of here.
Okay.
This guy just jacked me.
Come on.
No! Sir!
Whoa.
Get him away from me. Get him away from me.
I got it.
Get him
How?
away from me, dude. Dude, get
I gotta
I'm
say,
not.
look
Dude,
at me.
look at me.
That's his fault.
Yeah, it's his fault.
Well, it's.
Stop it.
Alright, man.